Tonight, Health Ministry raises concerns on the use of traditional medicines, training starts for bus drivers on e-ticketing, and Fiji negotiates double tax agreement with India. Good evening, you're watching Fiji Today. The Ministry of Health is concerned about the use of traditional medicines in local communities. Health Minister Dr. Neil Sharma says any form of traditional medicine is only safe to consume when it is scientifically proven to work and will not cause any harm to the individual.
Most communities in Fiji use traditional medicine to heal illnesses. It's a practice that dates back to well before the colonial era. Dr. Sharma says the only concern is that this medicine can also be harmless to individuals, so the need for scientific proof of it is safe to use. Dr. Sharma also highlighted the deceiving practices by some traditional doctors who attract customers with huge promises of curing their illness. He called on communities to refrain from consuming traditional medicine unless they know it's safe. He added that the Ministry of Health, together with USP and other tertiary institutions, should undertake research to ascertain the safety and effectiveness of traditional medicine in the country.
Bus drivers are being trained on the new smart card system before the e-ticketing is launched by government. E-ticketing is a major component of government's bus fare subsidy program for schools. The training focuses on the use of the new consoles and smart cards.
Drivers now understand that the new system allows drivers more time to focus on the safety aspect of driving and providing the best service to passengers. Previously, bus drivers were always busy collecting bus fares from passengers while driving and at times were robbed. Government Task Force spokesperson on e-ticketing, Ms. Senyana Rondrondo, says the new system will be a win-win situation.
This is basically to be able to educate them on how the system needs to be used and the issues that they will be expecting to be confronted with and the solutions subsequently. This system that is being brought into Fiji is expected to begin within the next couple of weeks upon the arrival of the head of government who is expected to launch the program.
Transtel Telecom Fiji Limited, subsidiary company responsible for the provision of the new machines and implementing the new system on Fiji's land transport bus system, facilitated the training. 30 Tathirua Bus Company Limited drivers have been trained already. Tathirua buses will pilot the e-ticketing system with the 5 schools from the Waila-Sawani corridor.
The Prime Minister, Commodore Bainimarama, met Shanghai's Vice Mayor, Mr. Tu Guangshao, to discuss ways of strengthening ties and increasing investment traffic to Fiji. During the discussion, Commodore Bainimarama showed appreciation for China's assistance in the infrastructural and overall economic development in the country.
Prime Minister Commodore Varenge Bainimarama says Fiji will continue to look to China to strengthen these ties. Commodore Bainimarama says China is a true friend that understood the necessary reforms in Fiji and, more importantly, recognized Fiji's sovereignty. Commodore Bainimarama also reinforced his views on Fiji's Look North policy. The Prime Minister invited the Vice Mayor to visit Fiji and witness firsthand the Fijian hospitality, the natural beauty of the country and the huge investment opportunities that exist. Mr. Tu agreed to the invitation.
Join us again after the break.